G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I am vlogging today. I'm actually vlogging the day at Gabs Wine Festival in Melbourne. So hopefully you guys will enjoy it. So if you are interested, stick around. We're gonna go that way. See you down there.
Until hold fast. Then.
So 15, 14 must be more over that way. Oh yeah. So we do have to go that way and back up maybe. Oh well, we made it. Heading up the platform to platform 14 to head to the Showgrounds. I left my house at about 7 o'clock this morning. It's about 10 o'clock now and I'm starving. I haven't had any food, so I'm going to see what I can get from this vending machine. Okie dokie. Yeah, got the chips. Okay, we're entering the Gabs Festival. Look at this, a bloke riding a bull. We got here, Gabs craft beer, one better beer. Okay, I'm in the Gabs area, ready to get some beers. I'm just standing guard at the table at the moment to make sure that nobody steals any of our gear. And then I'm going to get myself a beer. Have a look at this place. If you haven't been to Gabs before, this is going to be an experience for you, I hope. 17. Cavalier Brewing Victoria Smoke Rings. Ah, this is a 4.9% kettle sour. I've got a kettle sour, Dave. Oh, you can smell it already. Do you want to smell it? Smells like
What's that one?
what do they call it?
It's a bit of vanilla.
Oh yeah. What is it?
Smells like Pringles. No. What's that?
Oh my God, what's that one?
It's a Cavalier Brewing Smoke Rings. It's a kettle sour. It's a sour.
What number?
17.
I like the sours. It's not a taste like.
Yeah. Oh, medicine.
Is it?
That tastes like medicine.
It smells a bit like mine.
Oh, it's smoky though. What did smoke flavour come through? Smoked caramelised pineapple. Okay, that makes sense. Refreshing pop, sour cherry, pineapple.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. I don't mind it actually.
Yeah.
I mean, I couldn't drink a slab of it, but just for the flavour, it's nice.
That one is up there.
That one.
Barbecue pork crackle. Yeah, that's what I'm getting. Oh yeah, it probably would work for barbecue pork crackle. Oh, right. Number. What do you say? Number. No, they got one there that's just phenomenal. Good land. What do you say? Number 4.
I have 4. Yeah, I gave that out of 4. Then was kind of short. Probably not the right idea to have something straight after another one with your palates all changed.
Yeah, you probably should fill that up with water.
It's true. Turns out. It's alright.
I had a cookie, so I'm happy I had food. Number 4. Number 4 is New Baron Brew Company Cocoa Comet. Order. Hot chocolate drink for adults only.
Oh, the cocoa one, is it?
Yeah.
Now, you're not going to believe this one.
Not Absinthe.
Nope.
What was the number?
Oh, you can taste the cocoa, but you can't smell it. Rocks Brewing, Spandon White Chocolate Stout.
What's Pandan?
Don't know.
Smell that, taste it.
Sorry, I won't because it'll ruin it for this one.
No, it won't.
No?
No, I was quite surprised with the colour of it.
Wow. You can smell the pastry in that for sure. Oh, wow.
It's not bad, is
That's
it?
absolutely beautiful.
It struck me when it came out green. I was like, oh.
Number 14. Oh. Wonderful flavours and beers, isn't it? It's amazing.
What's this you're trying, Breno?
It's shooting for a YouTube video. Mate's got a home brewery channel. Yeah.
What's this one you're trying?
All wines, tops. Not often do you actually see limited edition. Exactly why I'm on the very first place. See some reserve, some reserve. Cheers. Here we go. Reminiscent of like a kombucha with somewhere or along the lines. Well, to be honest, any other sort of vinegar or something like that. And I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking.
Really?
If you're into that sort of thing, then I'm being honest. If you're into that sort of thing.
We got an ice cream that goes with it.
We're down at Gabs. We came down here with, Princes Hwy Brew. Been around, we've tasted some pretty good brews, and we've tasted some. It's recently a really bad one. Well, I don't know what it was, but it's good.
All this work, most of it is a mind-opening experience. If you're into your beers, come down, check it out. You can always can. I think they have one to really realise what the hell's going on. We had one before. I won't drop their name because I do support them.
I don't know what it was, but you could pick all your onions in it.
It was basically a reserve kind of beer where they put in a big bottle, put a cork in it, and all the fancy. Sometimes it's not always fancy. You know, get your drink right. Enjoy what you love. This is the best for it.
The Gabs, it's the greatest Australian beer, whatever the hell it is. I mean, we've been here since about 11 when it opened. We've had a couple of paddles. There is over, I can't even, I think I counted up to about 160 something different beers. You've got like these little pop-up breweries where they've got all the most specialty beers and IPAs from stouts to, it's just way too many to mention.
But when you get to the point of too many to mention, you've got one area down at the end of this festival, which mind you looks like a massive warehouse, and it is. Down the Showgrounds.
We're at the Royal Melbourne Showgrounds.
So it's been on space from Gabs Hwy. It's going on. It's great. All I can say is don't confuse yourself anymore. You need to love to have a couple of beers. It'll walk right down the end, walk right down the start.
I'm person that's confused here.
Well,
You need more to drink than me.
Have a look at what you can choose from.
As I said, back in the day I used to drink a lot of beer. I'm not big into it now, but I don't mind it, I've been there, we've all shared a paddle or two, and I found one little pop-up that, what was the name of them again? They gave me freebies, they gave me ads. And then I found they got their own rum and coke, and they got bourbon and coke, and alcoholic ginger beer was absolutely brilliant.
Like your son was telling me today was Brookvale Union. I checked out the value, and I've got to say I do pay attention over about 3 to 4 years. I tend to stand up kicking. I think it's the best thing in Australian brewing these days. Evidence for
There
it.
we go.
Yeah.
It's these guys from Brookvale Union. They even gave me a free hand. These guys are brilliant. They've got some awesome alcoholic ciders. Like a lemon spike. Ginger beer was absolutely brilliant. Loved it. Even gave Pierre a taste of it. It's a spot on.
For a strong palate, we went on a rum coke right now, which is actually not bad, and I haven't got an idea about what going for.
Alright, I'm trying to catch up to a mate who's at, sorry I have to talk, a lot of music going on. Catching up, hang on, just show you something. Catching up with a mate, playing Sweet Dreams of Mate it is. I am looking for he's at the front stage. There he is, found him. Okay. I'm sorry. Where the fuck are you been? Alright Mick, I have seen this cow. And no, I'm not gonna ride it. I'll fall off in 5 seconds. Surely. Okay, we've got someone riding their bull. Is he going to make it? He has trouble getting on. He said this is going to be bad. He came off before he even started spinning. Alright, I don't know where my mate is gone. I'm on my own. Went to the toilet just recently and I don't know where he's gone. I need to find food. Look at this while I'm here. We've got golfy. The golfing. What better beer? Wow, golfing. Okay, is this normal? People are getting down wearing headphones as the dance floor music, so it's quiet. They hear what they hear, not what I hear. How cool is this? and I'm out of here. Okay, we've left the venue, and there's no trains for an hour, so we're taking a tram back to Flinders Street Station, and hopefully make our way back to home from there. Yes! What the fuck are you doing?